You can see I've already made a sample of bill for you. You can see this is your company name, this is your consignee, which means the party whom you are selling your product. This is invoice name. Date, we'll be using formula here. This is supplier's reference number, mode of payment, dispatch through email ID. First of all, make this sample, create the sample in your Excel sheet. So there is a merge cell in between. This is actually a two column. You have to select it and merge it. This also, select it and merge it. Now, once you complete with the layout, we will be using formula over here to get the serial number as we did earlier. Just like equal to if bracket open, click this particular is equals to blank, comma, blank, or else we will start our row here. Press enter and it's simply drag it down to copy to the end. Now this particular HNC and this rate should come automatically using our data validation. You can see I've already created the product info for your convenience. You can add as many products as you want in your workshop or in your invoice. Simply select this, go to formula, define name. Here in place of mobile name I'll be writing item name. Click OK. There you go. Come to sheet 1, or you can rename it invoice. Click here, and the particular will be getting our product details. Go to data, data validation, choose a list. Here you will be typing equal to item name. We have just created a function a moments before. Click OK, and then you will get the drop down list of your product. You can add as many product as you want. You can see Odyssey headphone, and those are linked here. See, the serial numbers are coming up. You can simply drag it down or double click to get the same results up here. Let me delete all this for you. Now to get the HNC and its corresponding sets, we will be using our VLOOKUP function. Here you will be typing equal to VLOOKUP, V which is vertical and lookup means to search, particular, comma, product info, and this is your HNC number. But make sure you select all of them. Since we are skipping serial number, for the column index number I'll be counting from here. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and we are searching for HNC which is on column number 2. This is 1, this is 2. I'll write 2 here, and false, which means to get the exact match of our product. Press enter, you get the details. For example, this is pen drive. You won't get here, simply drag it down and everything gets copied. As we have learned earlier, to get rid of this NA situation here, we will be writing if error, comma, 0. Press enter, drag it down or simply double click here, and it gets NA, and the NA gets out. Come here, this quantity you will be adding by yourself, 1, 2, 3, or whatever it may be. And this set, for example, I'll be buying mobile, Intex mobile, 12. Should be like sets, numbers, pieces, something like this. To get this equal to VLOOKUP again, select this, comma, come to product info, select this. You will see the units over here is on first, second, third column, comma 3, false. Press enter. See, the sets are coming automatically. Simply drag this down. Again, you get the NA option here. To get rid of this, go to formula bar, if error, add to the end, and I copy this formula to the end, you get rid of it. To get the units over here again, equal to VLOOKUP, product name, comma, product info, select all of them. Yes, units here again, number 3. We'll be writing false. There you go. Again, if you drag it down, you'll see an error over here. Let's correct this. Write if error, at the end, comma, enter. Simply drag it down. To get the amount, simply multiply quantity into rate. We will be using the same VLOOKUP formula here as in VLOOKUP this, comma, product info, select it, comma, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. We are looking for rate. This is fourth column, false. There you go, 8540. Drag it down. You again get the same NA option here. Simple. Add if error. At the end, comma, enter. Drag it down till we need. Select it. If you want to add some border here, I will be choosing tick box border. To get rid of this 0, come again. If error, simply replace this 0 with double quote, which means blank. Now drag it down. Now this is blank again. Same here. Replace 0 with double quotes. Drag it down. To get rid of the 0, simply double quote, drag it down. Here again, simply double click and then drag it down. Okay, you might again want to add some border here. You get another product that gets updated automatically. See, we only need to add the quantity and it's getting updated. For the amount, we will be using quantity multiplies rate. Bracket close, enter. There you go. This 2 is getting multiplied. Drag it down to the end. Now again you get the value like this. Again you can use if error function. If error, comma, blank. Simple, drag it down. See, there's nothing in here. To get all of them in accounting formats, simple click here, go to more accounting format, choose the rupees symbol and OK. There again, right, accounting formats. Perfect. To get rid of hashtag, simply increase your cell width. It's time to add some formula. Simply go for sum, bracket open, add all of them from this to this, bracket close, enter. We get our subtotal here. Discount if any. CGST rate, for example, that is 9% CGST. SGST goes the same here. Simple equal to, copy this formula. And to get the CGST amount, click here, equal to subtotal, multiply this, enter. And here, equal to this, enter. You get the same. And to get the net amount, equal to sum this plus this plus this plus this minus this. And there's a discount of 5% here. You can see equals to this multiply 5%, and this will be counted automatically and this will be updated automatically. You can see discount percent is 2. This is getting updated. If the discount is 6%, this is getting updated. If there is no discount, and this is like this. Now select like this. Take outside border, I would prefer. Select them, take outside border. Here again, take outside border. Take outside border. Let's make this. If you want to remove, simply click here, no border, and I want to add tick box border. To give some space in here, you can always readjust. Now it's time to convert this number into words using our spell number function. To do this, press alternate F11 on your keyboard, go to this workbook, insert module, and in the module you can see there is a blank space. if you are using a Windows PC, you will see a different layout here. I have already copied the text which is on the description. You can get the file over there. This code, this function is used to convert the number into words. Simply close this. Once the module is inserted, select this and click merge and center, or you might want to wrap text. Here I will be using a formula: spell number, this bracket close, enter. Rupees 1 lakh, you might want to put it on the top. There you will see rupee 1,33,195 paise, 50 paise. Now add some terms and conditions here, or any other. For example, this is a computer generated invoice, hence no signature is required. You can add more information here if you want to add another information or signatory. You can add more products here like Samsung City, that comes automatically. If I add quantity, it's getting, everything is getting updated. Look, there is 3,77,000 now. If I add Odyssey headphone 10 pieces, you'll see it's getting updated. It's 395, and the best part is this is getting updated automatically. We will be using the date formula. It's quite simple: equal to, type equal to today, press enter. This will display the data. There goes your invoice number, supplier invoice number, mode of payment. We can write like cash on delivery. We are dispatching through. For example, courier name goes here, available, like select this. We want to add invoice, that is a title. I hope you like the video. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button.